Welcome back to One Two Step, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into your housing account. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time I upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any web browser. Then on the search bar type in housing login. Once you press enter, you'll see these kind of results. From this, click on the link where it says housing login. Once you press on it, you'll get to this login page. On this page, you'll have to provide your login credentials. So go ahead and enter your username or your application number. After that, enter your surname. At last, enter your password. And if you don't remember your password, you can reset your password by clicking on this link. Once everything is set, make sure you have entered your correct credentials, then click on the login button. Once you click on it, you'll be logged into your account. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll see you on the next one.